Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an amazing hair treatment. This treatment will help to stimulate hair growth and also will help to grow your hair faster in thinning areas. So keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. The first ingredient we have for the treatment is the banana peels. We will be making use of banana peels, and as you can see, I'm peeling off the peels from the bananas so that I can use them. Banana peels are amazing and helps to strengthen hair, also help to thicken hair, and also to make the hair stronger. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut the peels into small pieces, and then after that I'll go ahead and proceed to the other steps. Banana peels are really amazing, so do not throw them away whenever you use bananas. We will also be needing rosemary. Rosemary is amazing. I'm not going to talk more about this herb because I have been talking about this for long in most of my videos, and if you haven't yet used rosemary, you are relying on something that is very important and that can help to grow your hair faster, especially if you have bald spots and thinning areas. You need to incorporate rosemary to your hair care routine so that you see growth in a fast rate. Rosemary is really amazing. So I have been using this herb for long, and I can say that it has really helped me to thicken my hair where there used to be thinning. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to transfer the ingredients to this jar, starting off with the banana peels, and then I'm going to be adding um, 2 tablespoons of rosemary. You can add your own measurement. There is no any like specific measurement. So after adding the ingredients to the jar, now I'm going to be adding water, and I'm using hot water. Always use hot water whenever you are infusing ingredients so that your ingredients can infuse faster. Hot water helps to increase the infusion process. So right now I'm gonna cover the everything, and then I will let this infuse for about 8 hours. You can also extend the infusion for up to 24 hours if you're not in a hurry. That way the infusion process will go faster, and all the ingredients will infuse, all the nutrients will get infused in water. So this is after 8 hours, and as you can see, the color of water changed, which means that the infusion took place well. And now I'm going to be straining out to get out the liquid. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new video, if this is the kind of content you would love to watch. So right now I'm gonna transfer the spray or the treatment to an applicator bottle so I can proceed and show you guys how I use this on my hair. So I'm going to be using this as a leave-in. As always, I like to use my treatment as leave-in treatment so that I get all of their amazing benefits. And I'm applying this from the scalp first, and then once I apply, I don't forget to squeeze it in to my hair strands so that it can penetrate deeper into the twist because my hair is in twist. So every time I spray, I make sure to squeeze it in. If you use this as a leave-in, it will help to stimulate hair growth and also thicken hair. If you have bald spot, applying this to at least 2 to 3 times a week will help to grow hair where you don't have. This treatment is really powerful and effective because of rosemary. Rosemary helps to stimulate hair growth and also help to thicken hair. If you have bald spot, applying this treatment at least 2 to 3 times a week and massaging it in to your problem areas will help to thicken hair, and you will see changes, and you will start seeing hair thickening in the bald areas. So this treatment is really beneficial to your hair and scalp. So I'm going to be spraying this to my entire hair, making sure that each section or each part of my head is well coated with this treatment. And after that, I will go ahead and use my leave-in conditioner and then seal in that moisture with the hair butter so that my hair won't dry out. As I always say, that step is really important. Do not skip it. Every time you apply a leave-in spray like this, do not leave it like that. Always follow up with your leave-in conditioner and hair butter or oil, because leave-in treatments are watery, and because of the ingredients, some ingredients are drying. So always follow up with that step, and your hair will grow faster without breakage. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also give it a thumbs up and share it. Also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye, see you in the next.